Sandra Crathern, Inner Vision, talking about health and well-being today. I have no idea what I'm going to talk about. 10 seconds gone and I have no idea, and I thought I would do one and see what came up. This is so weird, sitting here looking at a picture of me talking to, right in this moment, no one but me. So what does come to mind? What can I say today that's going to inspire and motivate anybody to feel better about themselves and encourage them? I guess it's just to be able to be yourself and follow whatever purpose is in front of you, really. I talk to my children and my husband at a level that I never used to talk to them, really. Really able to be honest about what's going on for me most of the time, except sometimes. And sometimes I don't behave as well as I could. The last few days I've been a bit grumpy and not as nice to be around, and I've made my amends the best I can. But I think really being honest and saying, sometimes I don't even know that I'm worrying about something or I'm upset about something, and I'll say something out of tune or be a bit impatient. But I've been quite tired lately, and I think that hasn't helped really. I do have an issue with to-do-aholism, which I talk about a lot really. I always feel that there's not enough, not always, but a lot of the time I do feel like now there's an office full of work to do, and I need to get on and do it, and I'm going to get on and do it. But I do feel a little bit like sometimes my life is just a big to-do list, and so now I suppose in this 2 minutes that I'm speaking to you, I feel a bit emotional about it because I feel a bit sad. But I do know that there is an answer. There's normally a solution to all our problems. They're there to help us to grow and to learn. So I'm accepting myself as I am, and I know I've been a bit grumpy and a bit offish, and I just want to stay authentic and say it as it is, really. So that's as it is, and if you're feeling similar sometimes, then just be yourself and say it as it is. It's very empowering to be authentic and say what's going on for you. I don't think there's any shame in it. I think there is, and the last 2 vlogs have been quite over the 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes, which has been significant for me because I try not to go on too long. But yeah, just be yourself, say it as it is the best you can, and that's when I think we start to really feel human, I guess, being a human being and not a human doing.